Okay, this is the compact 3-inch wide thin-set removal bit. It's got a 3-inch wide blade, 6.5-inch length, and works with any SDS Plus rotary hammer. So what you want to do is always grease the shank before using. Put a little bit of grease on the shank right there. Then you want to grab any SDS Plus rotary hammer and go ahead and just push it straight in until it locks in place. You want to make sure that the bit is positioned flat to the ground. So you just, by putting it on the rotary position, turning it as needed, and then be sure to switch it to the hammer position. When you use the bit, you want to go downward at about a 45-degree angle and just let the hammer do the work. This is the 3-inch thin-set removal bit, works with any SDS Plus rotary hammer. It's got a 3-inch wide blade, so it removes more thin-set, 10.5-inch length, and just want to be sure to grease it before you use it. So put a little bit of grease on the SDS Plus shank, grab your rotary hammer, push it straight in until it locks into place. Be sure to position it so it's flat against the surface, and then set it to the hammer function. This is a 3-inch wide, 401-inch round shank thin-set removal bit. It works with any standard 0.401-inch air hammer. So what you want to do is pull back the retainer, stick the bit in, make sure it locks into place, and then attach it to your air compressor, and you're good to go. You want to run this at about 90 psi. It runs at 5 CFM, so you want to make sure your compressor can handle that. Also want to run this down at about a 45 to 50-degree angle and let the hammer do the work. Okay, this is the 4.5-inch wide thin-set removal bit. Works with the SDS Max rotary or demo hammer. You want to be sure to grease this, much like the other rotary hammer bits, before using. Want to be sure to get your SDS Max rotary hammer. Pull down. Make sure the bit engages. Be sure to make it flat with the surface, and then lock it into the hammer function. With this bit, you want to make sure that the hammer does the work. Don't push down on it. You want to come in at about a 45 to 50-degree angle and just let the weight of the hammer do the work for you. This bit works great for tile and thin-set. Okay, this is a 6-inch wide thin-set removal bit floor scraper. Works with any SDS Max rotary hammer. It's got 4 bolts, replaceable blade, so you can get plenty of jobs with this unit. You want to be sure to grease the shank before every use. Be sure to stick it straight down until it locks into place. Adjust the rotary hammer so you can rotate, so it'll be flat to the surface, and then lock it into the hammer function. With this tool, you definitely want to let the weight of the hammer do the work for you. Don't want to push down too hard. So let the weight work, come in at about a 50-degree angle, and this is great for taking out the thin set.